Anyone who has spent time in the skies knows that ice and flying don't tend to mix. In-flight icing is one of the greatest dangers of cold weather flying, where supercooled water droplets cause airflow disruption that decreases the aircraft's control and performance. Even aircraft equipped to operate in known icing conditions are at risk for the dangers caused by in-flight ice accumulation. It is also one of the most difficult hazards to predict. Besides other pilots reporting they experienced icing in flight, it is largely left to weather forecasting. According to the Aviation Weather Center, these reports are what forecasters call time-smeared, meaning that they are valid over a 6-hour period and must affect a minimum area of 3,000 square miles at any one time. We are redefining flight safety with MIDAS, a wireless sensor film that provides live monitoring and alerts to pilots, aircrew, and drone operators. At Pegasus, we're putting life-saving technology where it belongs, at the leading edge.